If you're looking to make the most of gold and silver in your retirement portfolio, you're in the right place. You've probably heard about the benefits of holding precious metals as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty, but how do you actually incorporate them into your retirement strategy? Stick with me until the end, and I'll walk you through exactly how to make gold and silver work for you, and show you the best way to do it without the usual risks that come with these assets. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get a free guide that explains why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their retirement savings. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. Let's jump right in. First, why even consider gold and silver in your retirement portfolio? The simple answer is diversification. Traditional investments like stocks and bonds can be volatile, especially in uncertain economic times. Gold and silver, on the other hand, tend to hold their value or even increase during periods of market instability. Think about it. When the stock market crashes or inflation rises, gold and silver often see price increases as investors flee to safety. Now the question becomes, how can you add them to your retirement plan? The answer is simple: through a gold IRA. This is the best option for anyone who wants to include precious metals in their retirement without the hassle of physically storing them or dealing with tax complications. A gold IRA allows you to hold physical gold and silver within a tax-advantaged account, ensuring that your gains grow tax-deferred or even tax-free if you opt for a Roth Gold IRA. Compare this to other options. You could buy gold or silver directly, but the risk here is twofold. You're responsible for storage and security, and you may have to deal with hefty taxes when you sell them. Another option is investing in gold or silver ETFs, but those don't provide the same protection against economic uncertainty as owning the physical metals. Plus, when you hold precious metals in a gold IRA, you have the security and peace of mind that comes with knowing your retirement assets are in a self-directed account. It's important to note that the IRS has strict rules when it comes to the types of gold and silver that qualify for a gold IRA. You can't just invest in any piece of jewelry or random coins. Only gold and silver that meet specific purity standards are eligible. But don't worry, your gold IRA custodian will help guide you through this process so you know you're buying the right products. Now let's talk about how to make the most of your gold IRA. It's not enough to simply set it up and forget about it. You need to actively manage your portfolio. One strategy is to diversify the types of precious metals you hold within your gold IRA. For instance, gold is often considered the most stable, but silver can offer higher returns during certain economic conditions. Having both gives you the best of both worlds: stability with gold and the potential for growth with silver. Another strategy is to rebalance your portfolio as market conditions change. If gold prices have surged, you might consider taking some profits and buying more silver, or vice versa. Staying on top of market trends and rebalancing accordingly can help you maximize your returns while minimizing risks. So, why is this so crucial for American retirees, especially those with $100K or more in their IRA or 401k? Gold IRAs are the perfect solution to protect your wealth in times of uncertainty. They provide a hedge against inflation, the devaluation of the dollar, and the volatility of traditional investments. And if you have a larger sum in savings, say $5 million or more, gold can help preserve your wealth for future generations. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, don't wait. Click the link in the description now for a free guide on how to get started with gold IRAs. Thousands of Americans are already making this move, and you don't want to be left behind. In conclusion, if you have a significant portion of your retirement savings in traditional investments, it's time to diversify and start thinking about gold and silver. And the best way to do this is with a gold IRA. If you're looking for the best option to protect your wealth and take control of your future, then the gold IRA is your key to securing a more stable and prosperous retirement.